Hello friends, I had opened a poll and requested to vote on which I have to upload videos, and amazingly 80% of you voted for Tcs NQT Previous Year question and 20% of you voted for Tech Mahindra coding question. So today I have brought a previous year coding question asked in Tcs NQT 2021 in slot 2. By the way, those who have voted for Tech Mahindra, I will also make videos for you. You will not be upset. Just keep an eye on my channel. Okay, let's go to the problem and try to solve this. What is this being said that Joseph is learning a digital logic subject which will be for his next semester. He usually tries to solve unit assignment problems before the lecture. Today he got one tricky question. The problem statement is a positive integer has been given as an input. Convert decimal value to binary representation. Toggle all bits of it after the most significant bit, including the most significant bit. Print the positive integer value after toggling all bits. Okay, and here are the constraints are given and sample input 10 as an input and output is 5. How is the explanation is given here. I am mentioning how. Let's say the number is taken by user is 10. What is the decimal value of 10 is 10. That is the decimal binary representation of 10. Okay, so after toggling this, what will we get? Just shift the 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. Okay, then this will be 0 1 0 1. Okay, and this is decimal represent, this is the binary representation of what? 5. Okay, so this is the answer. So from here to here to here and to here, but here this is mentioned that the most significant bit, including the most significant bit. Okay, at first I will request you to solve the question by yourself, then come to watch. Okay, let's solve the problem. Let's take a scanner. C is equal to new scanner system dot in, and let's take the integer input. Int n is equal to sc dot next int, and let's take a string binary is equal to this, and this remains blank. Okay, let's let's run a while loop while n not equal to 0. Then if n not equal to 0, then binary is equal to num, the number, and operation, and 1, and num and 1 and plus binary, and the number n is equal to n greater than 1. Okay, I'm actually, this is all required to shift the number, so I'm explaining how it is happening, but I will not explain briefly because uh, if you face problem to write shift, and if you have confusion in AND operation how it works, I will not obviously mention briefly because I have already explained this in the pseudocode wala video. So the link is given in the description box. Watch from this. Okay, but just for your betterment, the n okay, I am just writing the code first, then I will explain a little. Okay, The in at first all the code will run until n is equal to 0. Okay, then what will be happened, the binary value is equal to binary dot replace all. I actually I'll have to toggle the values. Okay, so I will toggle 1 to 0. Let's say, sorry, binary is equal to bin dot replace all 1 comma, sorry, let's actually I have to first change the all ones into 2, and this then all 0 into 1. Let's say if just I have to, let's say the number is 1010, I will change it into at first 2020. That means okay, 1 should be replaced with 2. Then what I will do, I'll do is all 0 to 1. I have to actually make all 0 into 1. Then the value will be like 2121 2121. Then I will make the or make all 2 into 0, 2 into 0. That means the value will be 0101. That means it is actually toggled. Okay, so I have to first make 1 into 2, and I have to replace all. Then in the next part I'll have to replace all 0 into 1, and then I'll have to replace all 2 into 0. Okay, okay, so now the value will be in a binary form, and obviously this is a string format, so I'll have to parse into integer value. Okay, so let's say take an integer value, result is equal to binary result, sorry, that is equal to integer dot parse int. And what I am doing is, if anyone can tell what I did here, comment it on the uh, comment box. I will obviously give you a heart, because you were little bit genius. Okay, I'm mentioning why. What is actually happening here, the binary value is changing into decimal, and the decimal value and the binary value and the string value is changing into integer value. Two operation, string is changing into integer and the binary into decimal. Okay, this is quite similar in Python as well. You can do this in Python as well. Okay, now print the result. Okay, I think all it's okay. Now run the problem. Now run the code. I think this will be okay, but incompatible types cannot be converted to java.lang dot this. Sorry. This must be in. Actually, all the binary values are string value, so I'll have to make all the integer into string actually. Okay, I wish you have got the point what I wanted to mention you. Okay, now I think this will be okay. Okay, let's input 10. Okay, this is 5. Let's say in this position, if I would have given any number like say 8, the input. Okay, the binary representation of 8 is 1000, and if I toggle all 0 into 1 and all 1 into 0, then the value will be 0111, and this is the binary representation of what, 7. So the output will be 7. So let's run the code and let's see if this happen actually or not. Okay, this is actually happening. So the result is out, but you may have some confusion that how this is happening. How am I reminding all decimal values of binary values, and of all decimal values? How can I remember the binary values? I have mentioned in the earlier videos in the pseudocode wala video. Link is given in the description box. Obviously check it out. Okay, and I'm mentioning just a little bit the code here. At first n was 10, then if the 10 is not equal to 0, then binary value will be like 10 0 10 0, sorry, 10 10. That means 10's binary value, and this will be operated and in AND operation with 0001. Then the value will be 0. Okay, the value will be 0, and 0 plus 0, 0 plus this blank actually. So this is concatenating with bin. Okay, so this will be whole 0. Okay, and in the next line, what is happening here, the n is actually right shifted. N means 10 10, 10 10 is right shifted. That means 0 will be from the right end, one element will be removed, so this value will be 101, and this is the value of 5. Okay, so next n is equal to 5. So 5 not equal to 0. Next bin is equal to 5 and 1 operation. Okay, so 5 and 1 means 5 101, and 1 means 001. So the next value will be 1 actually. Okay, 1 plus bin. 1 plus bin means 1 plus bin means bin was 0. Bin was 0, and 1 plus a string, that will be concatenated actually. Okay, 1 plus 0 means 1 0. It is actually concatenating, not adding in mathematical operation. So this will be 0 10. In the next part, it will again right shifted. So 101, at the ladder from the right end, 1 will be removed, then the value will be 10. So when the value will be 10, sorry, 10 means this is the value of 2. Okay, so this is the value of 2. So 2 not equal to 0, and 2 and 1 will be 2 and 1, that means 1 0 and 0 1. So both will be 0. 1 0, false and true is false, false and true is false, so both will be 0. So this will be 0 again, and 0 plus bin, 0 plus bin, it will be again concatenated. So 10 was already there, so 0 and 10 will be concatenated like this. Okay, in the next part this will be continued, and at the last, when n is equal to 0, the value of this will, and the bin will be like 1010, I think. Still, if you have any question or you are facing any problem, then obviously ask me in the comment box. And if you are willing to suggest in a new topic to upload, then obviously comment it down, and please share my videos to your friends so that they can also take a part of Tcs NQT and achieve a good result. Okay, so bye bye, and please subscribe my channel.